welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi there, my name is Temie. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. So this is a no talking video. It's early in the morning. I'm doing my everyday makeup. I'm gonna try to be pushing this out more often as much as I can. I'm just gonna sit here, show you the products that I'm using and create a quick everyday look. I've been doing this for the past 2 weeks now, and I just kind of want to keep the momentum going. So please hit the like button to also continue supporting me, and also comment below anything relating to this video, maybe the product that I'm using. If you need like an in-depth maybe review on specific products, that way I can separate time to create a video relating to that particular product. So thank you so much again for watching this video. So let's get into my makeup. Right now it's about 6:30 a.m. and I'm always usually timing myself to give myself about 35 minutes to do this whole thing with no interruption, because the kids are still sleeping, and no interruption would mean I get everything ready on myself and then get them ready when they wake up. So let's get this started. this is my final look for my everyday look. I simply just replace my lip gloss usually throughout the day. Anyway, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below, and also share, as well as subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.